Alright bros, I got a lot of people messaging me asking about the communications setup that we did in the Can-Am. So at the moment I have everything out and ready to put installed in the F100. We were going to mirror the system over. So I just wanted to make a video and go over it all and show you how it works. This will give you the ability to use a LEADNAV with the audio coming out of the iPad into the intercom through your ears so you can hear it properly, not over the Bluetooth. And it'll also give you the ability to send audio out to your GoPro so you can record the whole in-car communication as well as the iPad. So it's pretty simple, but it does take, you know, quite a bit of parts. And then there's the filters to add so everything's clean and you don't get the alternator whine that so many of you have complained about. So let's go over it and hope you guys enjoy the video. Audio, communication, GoPro, iPad setup that we have from PCI. It consists of audio coming in from the iPad over hardline into the intercom, the audio out of the intercom going out to the GoPro so you can record it. It has all the filters you need to keep all the static and noise and hiss out of the line. This is the grounds the radio and everything. And then this little one here goes after the intercom, before the in between the GoPro and the iPad. So it's important. I'm going to put all the product numbers below. I've got them all here on my phone. And then these are the cables. These are the Molex cables. That just is, it's your standard connector there. So what we have to do is actually depin these and pin them into one. One's coming in and one's coming out. 5761 from PCI is the iPad. So that's the iPad, and this is the GoPro. I'm going to put a little label on them so we don't get confused, and then I'll show you how to depin them and put them into one connector. You're also going to need this to enable charging at the same time for your iPhone or your iPad, iPhone or iPad. And then we do have here is the little GoPro cable to charge the GoPro as well. So I'm going to go through everything one by one, and then I'm going to give you the parts list in the description. Sean from PCI can help you. He's the one who actually the first time did me a custom cable. This time I'm going to fix it myself. It's no big deal. This kit comes with an extra Molex, got an extra fuse, got everything you need. So that is the basic outline. Let me just get these labeled and then I'll show you here. There's the intercom too. This is the best intercom that money can buy basically. It's got separate volume for co-driver and driver. You know how annoying that is to have one, and then one guy's got earbuds that are really loud and the other guy's got crappy old speakers and you can't adjust it. One guy's screaming and the other guy can't hear you. It's got Bluetooth. You can run music through there. It's got driver isolation and it's got the auto volume. I'm hard wiring everything in from the iPad so we can do the LEADNAV for the notes. So this is 5762, which from my little notes here is the GoPro. And it looks like this one will fit. So I got a little label. I'm going to heat shrink that on there. This one is going to be iPad then. That is 5761, and that is iPad. So you don't want to get these confused because it'll be going in the out and out the in. So we're going to put that there. Probably put that there with some clear on it. And what we want to do is combine these into one connector. So basically this row has to go, this has to go there, and then we'll be all set. So I'm going to take a picture of this so I have a reference. It's pretty easy. So from the top it's green, black, and then this one, I don't know what color that is, but it should be easy. I might have to use a little tool to, there it goes, there it goes. All right, and then the green. She's out. So just make sure it's all, everything's seated. So yeah, there we go. That's done. That was just that easy. So we got in and out, and then this is going to plug in here. Yep. Like that. And that will plug into the back of the intercom. This thing's a bit of a tough one. I haven't worked out a great way to mount it, but I'm gonna do a better job this time than I did in the Can-Am. The Can-Am, it's just kind of zip tied up, but this one we have more room. So let's go over it. We're gonna, so iPad, I'm gonna put this on there so we know. Still label stuff that's already terminated. It might not be as nice as down here, but it still works good, and it's gonna help a lot when we're troubleshooting later on down the road. Go over everything. Always label these too, so you get them, put them in and out easier. It's pretty simple, this setup. The push to talks are hard mounted out of the unit, out of the intercom. So, all right, this is where she goes. This is the Molex out, and this is just gonna plug in here. Just like that. And we should be good to go, yeah. That's all she does. So we gotta find a place for this and then route all these cables nice. And then this is the power out, which will join up with the radio power. So everything will be powered on the same circuit. I'm probably gonna cut this off here. I'll keep this connector just in case the intercom ever goes bad. You can switch it out. Not that they do, but I'm trying to run more standard connectors than cut everything off. Just keeps things simpler. And this is the center console. We'll be going back in. And the only other thing that goes on the same circuit is going to be this GoPro charger, again from PCI. And that is part 5801. I'm going to cut this off because we are already fused here. Everything's going to be on the same fuse, and then this is the line filter that goes one side to the battery and then the other side to all the devices. So we're going to have to do some splicing on the back side of this connector. It's very overwhelming when you think about stuff coming in and out and whatnot, but they do have this package simple. So, and then this is the radio power cord that goes into the back of the KENWOOD, the 100-watt race radio. So alright, so that's about everything that I can show you guys with everything not installed. I'm going to cut to some video of it working in the Can-Am.
Just straight, right? Yeah, yep. Left. Left.
In 305 feet.
Then right.
Caution rocks area.
Then left. Oh, go! Go! Up,
Where?
go, up there! Go, 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 go! Go! That way, to the left, Get out of here, we don't...
In the Can-Am, you can hear there's a slight hiss through the GoPro, but you can definitely not hear that when you're in the car. It's perfectly quiet, and that's it. I mean, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy. I'm gonna do more tech stuff, so keep following along and subscribe and all that stuff. Peace out.